1 teaspoon of this herb can stop inflammation, strengthen the throat, calm the stomach, and improve digestion. But only if you prepare it properly. Let me show you how. Today we make the most healing sage tea and find out why it is good and when it should and shouldn't be drunk. Sage is one of the strongest natural antiseptics. It is excellent for the throat, right stomach, and immunity. 1 teaspoon of dry leaves is enough for a perfect tea. I will heat the water to 80 degrees Celsius. Pour hot but not boiling water over the sage. If the water is too hot, the sage is bitter and loses its healing properties. Be sure to cover the tea. This is how essential oils are stored. Exactly what heals. Let it stand for 10 minutes. Sage helps with sore throat, gum inflammation, canker sores, calms the stomach, reduces gas, regulates digestion, and strengthens immunity. It is also excellent for menopausal women and relieves hormonal problems. It is not recommended for pregnant women, nursing mothers, and people with epilepsy. After 10 minutes, I will strain the tea. If desired, add lemon or a drop of honey, but only when the tea has cooled a little. Here is the most healing tea from the kitchen. Ready for a stronger throat, calm stomach, and easier breathing. If you want more healthy recipes and natural remedies, leave me a heart in the comment and like. Thank you, dear friends.